Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 4.4. In that question number 1, we will take both the part 1 and 2 one by one. In both these parts, we have to solve or construct the quadrilateral using the fourth method. That is, three sides and included angles between them. Three sides and included angles between them are given. Then how to construct? See here, three sides are given and two included angles are given. And how you can construct a quadrilateral if these measures are given to you. So the question number 1 is quadrilateral. We have to construct a quadrilateral DEAR in which DE is equal to 4 centimeter, EA is equal to 5 centimeter, AR is equal to 4 centimeter, angle E is equal to 60 degree, angle A is equal to 90 degree. Students, as I have told before, do the construction with me. Wherever possible, you can pause me and do the construction. Also, you are supposed to do the construction of all such angles which are possible with the compass. You will draw only with the compass. Don't draw those measures, those angles with the help of protractor. If you are drawing with the help of protractor, it will not be valid because you can construct those construction with the help of compass only. So starting with it, EA, we will draw EA is equal to 5 centimeter. So let us draw EA is equal to 5 centimeter. This is EA, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Now on E, we will construct 60 degree, which you know how to construct it very well. Draw a semicircle and the first arc which you are constructing is our 60 degree. Putting the point of intersection, this is our 60 degree. Join this point of intersection with E and extend little bit further so that required measure can be constructed on this line. Draw EX, ray EX. Now on EX we are supposed to draw ED is equal to 4 centimeter. So we will cut 4 centimeter with the help of compass and scale. This is 4 centimeter. Put it on E. This is our point D. This is point D. Now on A, draw 90 degree. You know how to draw now already. Draw a semicircle at point of intersection. Draw first one is our 60, second one is 120, and between them somewhere we will get 90 degree. You know how to draw 90 also round. So we will join point of intersection to A and extend it further so that we can construct the required measurement. Name it as AY, sorry. Now on AY, draw 4.5. AR is equal to 4.5 with the help of compass and scale. 4.5. Students, I have told you, wherever necessary, pause me so that you can draw your construction. On A, put the needle on A. This is our 4.5. Let me check because to verify. Yes, it is 4.5. Now this point of intersection here, this one, you will be joining with the D. This is our required quadrilateral. You can reduce the height of that ray and Y, ray EX and Y, AY. And this point of intersection is our DEAR, which we will write with the help of pen. This is the point of intersection. Also, don't forget to measure your figure. It must be 90 degree, which you can see it is 90 degree. This must be 60 degree. First point, the measurement exactly. Okay, you can see it is 60 degree. Now measure this. It is 4 centimeter as required. Measure with the help of this also. It is 4.5, exactly 4.5. This is 5 centimeter. And now write all the measurements. 4.5 centimeter, sorry. This is 4 centimeter. This is 90 degree. This is 60 degree. DEAR is our required quadrilateral. Now moving to the next construction, that is part 2. Part 2 says draw or construct a quadrilateral TRUE in which TR is equal to 3.5 centimeter, RU is equal to 3 centimeter, UE is equal to 4 centimeter, angle R is equal to 75 degree, sorry, this is 75 degree, angle U is equal to 120 degree. Now let us draw the rough figure using this instruction. Let me take RU. Why? Because the two angles are given. So we will take R and U down. RU is equal to 3 centimeter. TRUE we want. R is 75 degree. TR is equal to 3.5 centimeter. And UE is somewhat 120 degree. And it is 4 centimeter. Rough figure, you can draw any figure, don't worry. Now using this information we will try to construct a quadrilateral. First we will take RU is equal to 3 centimeter. This is RU 3 centimeter. Let me write RU is equal to 3 centimeter. Now on R, the angle they have given is 75 degree. Here we are having 75 degree. So we will construct 75 degree on R. So let us take any radius and construct . And now putting point here, first one will be 60, then putting on 60, this one will be 120, between them we will get somewhere here 90 degree, then putting on 120, we will get 90 degree, but we don't want 90 degree, so I am drawing it with the help of red pen and join to our dotted line. Let us see if we got 90 degree perfectly. Yes, it is 90 degree. So now we will take this radius between 60 and 75 and construct in between them. We will get 75 degree. Joining these 2 points, and extending further, naming it as RX, ray RX. Now on ray RX, but before we we will find if we got 75 degree exactly. Here you can see 75, exact 75 we have got. Now on 75, on that RX, we will cut RT is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Why? Because we want RT is equal to 3.5. So take a scale, 3.5 centimeter, place it on the scale and place it on R. Name this point as T. Same way we will construct 120 on U. And how to construct 120? It is very easy. On U, make a semicircle. On this point, make one arc which is 60 degree. Then place it on 60. Again another arc which is our measure 120 degree. Let us join this point of intersection with U. And now on U, we will take UE is equal to 4 centimeter. UE is equal to 4 centimeter, and then we will name that point of intersection as E. This is our Y, UY ray. Now joining E and T, which is here, not this one, this is the 90 sign. So we have got our construction. This is 4 centimeter, let me name it 4 centimeter. This is 120 degree. All of it we have got. This is 3.5 centimeter. So this is our construction. We can erase the remaining and make it short. You can keep as it is also. So this is our required quadrilateral. Now you will measure all the angles and the centimeters measurement of the side. Also check before submitting the paper. Now coming to the construction, steps of construction. Steps of construction. This is for the first part. You can take the screenshot or write on your own also, and this is for the second part. Hope you have understood these two parts very well. If not, please go through these two parts again and do it 2-3 times so that you can know very well how to draw. We will meet with new exercise in new video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.